Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we have seen how to create the private folder, and in this tutorial, we will see how to create not found page. Okay, so right now, if suppose I'm trying to access some route like ask or Akshay, it is saying 404, this page could not be found. But this page is not that attractive, not that good looking. And if you suppose you want to customize this not found page, then you can do that very easily. Just come over here and create one page. Okay, so not here. Right click on the app, create one file, and give the name as a not hyphen found .js. Okay, and RFC. So this is basically our not found page, not found. And if suppose I go over here, so now as can be seen, I am seeing this not found. Okay, so whenever there is a new route which you try to access, which is not there declared in our repository or a code base, it will show this page. Now you can modify this page according to your needs. So I will come over here and I will make use of the center tag over here, and I will again make use of the h1 tag, and I will say not found. I will come over here. Okay, so that not found has been centered over here, and you can customize this page according to your requirements. You can style it and make it look better, and this is how we can customize a not found page. And yeah, this is all about the not found page. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we will be learning something new. Stay tuned and watch out my other tutorials as well. Thanks for watching.